Maybe I'm gonna find it weird. You could get the color of my eyes. It's like, look at that. It's brown. Everyone always thinks I have like black eyes, but if you just okay, now that looks black. If you just zoom in closely, like just like I have like brown ass eyes. Look at that. Everyone thinks that these are freckles. It's on my birthmark. I have a birthmark here. It's a pretty weird birthmark. Yeah. I have these all over my face, like those tiny things. I have like everyone thinks I have freckles. I don't have freckles. What are you guys talking about? It's not freckles. It's mostly my cousins say it and I don't believe them. So Ace is here. Thought you were gonna play COD. Damn, bruh. I am bored. My laptop's really updating like slow as hell right now. Bruh. I am absolutely really bored and I don't know what to do with my life. Okay, I'm gonna try like can you share your screen? No, you can't. Okay, obviously you can't. What should we do? Can you guys ask me something? Like, wait. No, that's so dumb. No. What makes you happy when you're in a bad mood? Typically, if you like give me food or let me watch cartoons, what is like my favorite food is basically tuna pasta. I don't know why, but it's fucking yummy. It's so yummy. What the fuck? Wait, how many likes do I have? I have like 4K followers going to 5K. Oh, I'm almost gonna reach 70K likes though. Slay. Anyways, I there's like a thing about me that I hate. I sometimes like, but sometimes hate. Anyway, it's pretty weird. I'm bored and I want to sleep. My ring is disabled. It's because I punched the wall and now my ring is like in a really weird shape. I can't get it back to the first place. So I'm trying like so hard not to punch my wall right now because to turn my ring back into. Bro, my laptop sucks, man. I forgot I have another laptop that my brother's using. No, I'm just gonna sleep, or nah. I just don't know what to do. Like, can someone? Like, I'm so bored with my life. Don't mind my teddy bear. I have like loads and loads of teddy bears. Yeah, they're my babies. And this guy. Is my laptop finally done? Because I want to watch Netflix. Are you done eating? I was like done eating like an hour ago. My laptop's finally out. My laptop's finally done updating. Yay! Okay. How about we try since I'm bored, why don't we watch Darman videos and make fun of it? Because Darman videos don't make sense. You know what I mean. Bro, my laptop just restarted. It's not even done yet. Okay. Fine. I just want to watch Netflix so bad. For reals, for reals.